Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik pa ng bagong video kung saan lalo rin ko yung egg fried rice. Well, dito sa Pilipinas, kahit saan lupalop ka pala ng Pilipinas, makakita ka ng fried rice. Well, hindi siya egg, kundi siomai with fried rice. Yun lang yung sikat dito sa Pilipinas. Pero ewan ko ba egg fried rice yung title nito. Hindi ko pa alam yung game na to. Dinaload ko lang siya. Lalaroin na natin. Sa ano pa hinihintay natin? It's the time to play this game. Loading. Okay. It's no good. I'm far too hungry. I'm never going to get to sleep. I better see what I've got to eat. Okay. So, pagkagising mo palang, gutom ka na. Baka almusal to, bro. Wait, madilim? Oh. Restricted area? What the? What? The heck, bro? Look for food. Oy. Ba't ang creepy naman ng game? Oh, okay. Switch line on. On call. Ay, di. Ba't napindot ko? Hello? Hello? It's me. I can't sleep. Honey? What time is it? Late. Did I wake you up? Yes. Has something happened again? No, I'm just hungry. Then get yourself a snack and go back to bed. If it's nothing serious, I will hang up now. I don't want to wake your father. Yeah. Good night. So ano to? We got a Japanese food. Or yung recipe natin na fried rice. Oh. Ref pala yun. Empty. Ito, marshmallow. Tissue. Bro, meron kang tissue sa taas ng lababo mo. What the heck? Sa bagay, kailangan din naman yun. Ay, bread. Oh man, expired. Anong taon pa yan? So we got a pan, water, and coffee machine. I don't know kung coffee machine. Cup, canned food. Can opener is broken. The heck, bro? Ang malas mo naman. Kakastart pa lang. Oh, no. Cereal, no milk. Radyo, no. Hindi tayo magpapaano. Sige, gabi na, bro. Makakagising tayo ng kapitbahay. No milk. Bro, ang malas mo naman. Oh. Take away menu. A Chinese takeaway. See? Sa text pa lang, sa kulay pa lang, halatang Chinese na eh. That could be tasty. It all sounds so good. It's late though. I should not have much. I think I'll just get some egg fried rice. Darn. They don't deliver. It's only a short drive into town. I'll just go and order in person. Okay. So... wala bang dadalhin dito man lang? O may shift siya. Pwede tayo makbo. Ano tong restricted area? Bro, di ko magdadala ng bag. Radio turn on. Ito. Wallet mo ba yan? Ito. Bathroom. So, may Colgate, soap, window, tissue. Bro, ang creepy. Torch. Okay. This will help in the dark. Okay. So, punta tayo dito sa sasakyan natin. Get in car. Parked. So, saan tayo? Left and right. So, right tayo. Well, no. Girls always right, diba? Ika nga. Oh! Restricted. Okay. Sabi ko nga right. Na ayoko, hindi ako nagpapatugtog ng radyo pag nasa sasakyan. Pero ba't dito sa ibang bansa kanan yung manibela nila? Dito sa Pilipinas kaliwa, diba? Oh, doon eh. Okay, bayan na. Park here. Atras. Okay. Well, park! Pwede na ako magka-lisensya. And paano baba? Okay. Lights off. And get out. So, nasa bahay na tayo. So, ito ba yun yung... Oh, Chinese restaurant. Ito nga. Knock knock! Uy! Hello? Staff person. Kong Hee Pachoy! Kong Hee Pachoy! Hello, what can I get to you? One and rice. Of course! That will be 2.80 please. I don't know kung anong pera yan. Oh no, I forgot my money. I'll quickly drive back to my home and get it. Is that okay? Yes, that's fine. Your food will take away a few minutes to prepare. So it should be ready by the time you came back. Do not take long. We must close soon. No problem. I will be quick. Ah! Tarantado ka! Bro, who the heck are you, bro? Mukha mo si Justin Bieber. Hi, old man. Hello there. Have we met before? I don't think so. Perhaps you're right. But you certainly look familiar. But I must be mistaken. My age does that to me from time to time. Well, be careful out there, all the same. Careful? Why? So may masama na naman mangyayari. Ayun yung kotse natin nakapark. Siguro yung lalaki nasa likod natin. Hindi ko sure. Mukha siyang si Justin Bieber pero ang crispy ng mukha niya. Don't you read the papers? It's dangerous to be alone at night. I'll never get used to the violence in towns and cities such as this. I live far out in the forest, you see. There's nowhere more peaceful and safe. Okay. Though, I suppose there are rumors of missing people all the way out there too. Oh, here I go rambling again. I don't get many chances to talk to folk these days. Think on it no more. Okay. Bro, ang crispy naman ito. Both of you nakatingin sa akin. Well, okay. Ang napakasus nung guy nila. Get in car. Pwede ba kita banggain? Ah! So bro, kung ako sa'yo kainin mo yung cereal without milk. Ah! Hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng lisensya. So, yung matandang yon, well, thank you sa information na binigay niya. And yung mukhang Justin Bieber naman, well, ang crispy niya, mukha siyang suspicious. Ang sus. So, sa tingin ko siya yung killer. I don't know. Kasi sundan na tayo. Takbo tayo sa loob. Hindi natin nilock to? Kasi yung wallet mo ito? There are coins inside. This will cover my egg fried rice with a coin or two spare. I'll better go back and pay. Parang creepy. May tao ba dyan? Wala. So, dapat sinasarado natin to. Yan. Mas may tao na pala sa loob ng kotse natin eh, no? Kinakabahan ako ah. Not park. Okay. Break na tayo. Ah! Bro, pati ports yung bahay mo, binabangga mo. Oh, bawal. Bawal bumusina. Go to the takeaway. Okay. See? Ay! See? Ah, bilis! Baka nasa likod lang siya. Tingnan mo, nagkandaleche-leche na tayo dito. Bro, di ko alam kung anong mangyayari pero stalker siya. Sabihin na lang natin Justin. So, pag baba natin doon na siguro tayo malalagot. Oh, sarado. Not park, pambihirang yan. Hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng lisensya. Yan, okay na. Bro, sarado. Hindi pa yung babae. Ay, hindi pa sarado. Hindi pa ba yung matanda? So, wala na siya. Top person. Is something wrong? Of course not. I'm back with the money. What do you mean? Payment for my egg fried rice, remember? Did your friend not tell you? He paid for your egg fried rice. Friend? My friend? Yes! The man that came with you before. He paid up and said he would take your egg fried rice straight to you. He's not my friend of mine. He's no friend of mine. You let him take my food? Ta-ta-ta. Well, yes. He said he told me. Oh dear. I'm sorry. We were about to lock up, but I will ask our chef for another egg fried rice. Thank you, that would be great. Wait right here. Okay, so yung babae, yung lalaking kanina nasa likod natin na kamukha si Justin, well, nagpanggap siya na kaibigan natin as kinuha yung egg fried rice natin. Then now, ini-stock tayo mula sa malaking bato. Ang bihira talaga. Ba't ganito? I don't believe this. Why would that man take my food? What a loser. Loser! Ayun na. Here you go. Sorry for the mix-up. That's okay. There is no harm done. Here's your money. Thank you. Don't forget to pick up your egg fried rice before you leave. Good night. Good night. Ito yung egg fried rice ko. Ano pa meron dyan sa menu nyo? May sisig ba kayo? Or siomai fried rice? Take. Looks delicious. Pwede ba dito kumain na lang kaysa sa bahay ko? Kasi, ma'am, may stalker kasi dun sa may malaking bato eh. Ni-stalk ako, siguro alam niyo na yung bahay ko. Pero paano niya ako nakasundan? Wala naman siya sa sasakyan! Oh, sarado na? Oh, she's. Ba tayong pwede matakbuhan dito or what? Uy! Hey there. Vibrant man. Hey! I got a favor to ask you, you know. I need a few pennies for the bus. Friends help each other out. Right, friend? Give him some spare coins. Make an excuse. Well, mabait akong tao. Alam niyo na mga kaibigan ko nanonood ngayon. So, give him some spare coins. Thanks! You're a hero! Welcome. Thank you. They'll be writing songs about you, friend. Just a heads up, some creepy dude went running after your car when you left earlier. So yun nga. Sabi ko na eh. Hindi nagkakamali. Kasi ang crispy niya, nakatitig lang siya sa akin. Lalaki ba karakter natin, babae? Baka minumulis siya tayo. He gave me weird vibes. You know? Keep your eyes peeled. Okay. So, saan na yun? So, dito, ano meron dito? Banda rito. Phone call. Boot, phone call. Get in. So, here we go. Oh, I thought siya yun. Kala ko siya. Mira. Nangisok siya. Bro, ba't ka naman ang babato? Pambira ka. Ano, binato niya tayo? Ang tigas naman. We're not gonna get out. Tapos ayusin natin yung damage sa car natin. Check the damage sa car. Nah, bro. Nah. So, check the damage. Check the damage of the car. Pick. Is that egg fried? Bro, I thought bato. I mean, akala ko tae. Is that egg fried rice? I don't believe it. What a mess. Did somebody throw this at me? I'm getting creeped out. I don't want to hang around here. I better drive slow and get home. I'll sort this in the morning. I can't deal with it now. I just want to eat my egg fried rice. O nga bro, bigyan mo ako ng peace. Ba't nang i-stock ka? Ano meron? Go home. Bro, tama ba yan? Mga agis ka na ano? Ng egg fried rice sa sasakyan ko. Para kayong mga tiktoker na makontent lang tapos nagsasayang ng pagkain imbis na bigay sa mga taong nagugutom eh. And magpapark na tayo. Whoops! Nakasarado yung pinto natin. Ay. Uy! Ah, place. Okay. Oh. Hello? Hello? It is the Chinese takeaway. We have a free bottle of beer for you. A fortune cookie too. Please come and collect them. Free? Is this because of the mix-up? Yes, that's right. Please come and collect them. Okay. Scammer ba to? Hello? Nag-hang out agad. They hang up weird. See? I could quickly go and pick up that free beer and fortune cookie. My egg fried rice would stay warm if I hurry. But should I? So, pipili tayo between go and collect your free stuff, stay and eat the egg fried rice. So, wala naman ako hiniling na iba, nagugutom ka lang bro, ba't ka magbi-beer and fortune cookie? Masama sa kalusugan ng alak, kaya huwag ka na sumubok mag-alak. Well, yung fortune cookie, pwede mo na niya kunin bukas. Bahala na, baka freebies lang nila yun. So, ang kailangan lang natin kasi tonight, is yung egg fried rice mo. So, piliin na natin to. Eat your egg fried rice. Egg fried rice. Eat. Egg fried rice ba yan? Ba't parang lasagna? Lasagna ba yan? Or spaghetti? The heck, bro? Lakas lumamon. Kasabay tulog. Hey. Slept safely, but at what cost? After finishing your egg fried rice, you went back to bed. As soon as your head hit the pillow, you fell into a deep, peaceful sleep. However, the next morning, you woke up feeling haunted by your own decision to turn down a free drink and fortune cookie due to a little fear and uneasiness. The memory of the seemingly poor choice caused you to live the rest of your life with an unshakable sensation of hollowness. The mental hang-up of ruining an otherwise nice meal meant you could never again fully enjoy the once delicious taste of egg fried rice. Well, nakain naman natin yung egg fried rice. Di mo kailangan ng alak. Di mo rin kailangan yung fortune cookie. Binayaran mo yung egg fried rice, di yung beer and fortune cookie. Well, siguro freebies na yun. Well, libre nga, sabi nga nila. Pero bakit naman ganun? Ito na yun. Dito na yun. May two option. But should I? Collect and go. Oh, ayun na. Front door. I shouldn't drive the car with this damage. I guess I'm walking. Bro, maglalakad ka? The freak? Bo. Oh. Saan ba dapat? Oh, may daan dito. Okay. Dito tayo dadaan. Pababa? Bro, what the heck? Bro, ang creepy. Oh! Wag! Wag please! Wag please, wag please, wag please, wag please! Kumakanta pa siya. Okay. Kaya ang creepy mo, boy. Oh, may shortcut. Nabol ba tayo? So, nasa bayan na ulit tayo. Ito yung bayan Marikina. Bro, ang creepy. Okay, front door. Oh. Huh? Nice free beer. Fortune cookie. We're busy cleaning. Please take your drink and go. Okay. Wait lang, inspect natin to. So, punta tayo dito. They're dead! What the? This is not good. O dito. Well, na-deads na si Hercules and lalaroin ko pa rin siya kahit wala na kayo naririnig and sa computer ko na lang siya napapakinggan. Hello? Ba't bukas yan? Ikaw ba? Ah! Bro! Adik ka! He's a mocking bro. Uy, labas ka dyan. Labas ka dyan. Labas ka dyan, bro. Ah! Bro, what the heck? Tumatawa siya. Well, tumatawa yung lalaki. Hindi niya kasi narinig, sayang eh. Pero, sa ano naman na. The strange man stabbed you multiple times, woozy but still alive. You observe him smiling as he watched the life leave your body, stay with you until you finally died. Yung main character, naging kwento na lang. And murder for nothing but his sick amusement. He was never caught. Police found takeaway stuff dead the next day, brutally murdered. Reviewing the CCTV led them to you. They found your blood all over your home. It didn't take them long to find your body stuffed inside your fridge, covered in. Bro, naging OF. Well, sabi, they found your body all over your home. It didn't take them long find to your body stuffed inside your fridge, covered in egg fried rice. So, nasa loob ka ng fridge. Find your body stuffed. So, nasa loob ka ng fridge. Tapos, balot ka ng fried rice. Puno ka ng fried rice sa katawan. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And yun lang sa egg fried rice. And also, shout out sa kaibigan ko kay Gian. Happy birthday, bro. Have a nice day. And I hope na-enjoy nyo tong game. And maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope na-appreciate nyo. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.